This time I will share how to paint the roots of a coconut bonsai. How to? And what are the tips and tricks? Watch until it's finished. The first thing we have to know is the terms of the coconut bonsai root that can be painted. 1. The root is old. 2. The tree has been potting for a long time and is adaptable. 3. The tree is in good health. After all these requirements are met, then we go to the next stage, namely, clean the roots of the coconut bonsai fibers with scissors or a knife. After that, straighten the surface of the coconut roots, coconut shells, with a knife and sandpaper machine. After finishing, flush with water so that the remaining sanding dust disappears from the surface of the coconut shell. After clean of all dirt, we can paint it using wood coating paint made from a mixture of water. Why do we use paint with water mixture? That's because water is neutral and not hard on the roots. Unlike those made from a mixture of oil, it can poison the roots of the coconut bonsai. One more trick from painting coconut shells, namely, doing more than 2 coats of paint. This layered painting technique will get the best and perfect painting results compared to just one paint job. After finishing the painting process, we wait for the paint to dry by itself in the shade without direct sunlight. It will get good and unique results. So many videos this time about how to paint coconut shells. I hope it's useful. Don't forget, if you like this channel, press the subscriber icon. Also like, comment and share. I thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye and God bless you.